Hi friends and welcome back. Today's word is amicable. Its spell is A-M-I-C-A-B-L-E. Amicable. So let's speak with me. Amicable. Amicable. Amicable is an adjective. Its meaning is showing friendliness or goodwill, particularly in relationships, behavior, decisions, and agreements. In Urdu, we call it dostana, khushmizaj, or milansar. Incidentally, there is a list of synonyms of amicable. Some of them are friendly, agreeable, harmonious, compatible, and companionable. However, the same list goes with its antonyms as well. Hostile, disagreeable, disharmonious, incompatible, and antagonistic are few of them. Now let's see how the word amicable is used in a sentence. The first example is, I thought we should find an amicable settlement for our difficulty. The above sentence shows the usage of amicable in an agreement situation. Nevertheless, the next sentence is about the usage of amicable in terms of relationship. That is, I trust that with these new societies, we shall always preserve the most amicable relations. So that's all for today. Not to mention, the first week has come to an end, and I hope that you people would have really enjoyed the vocab learning with us. All you need to do is just to make a happy weekend with your loved ones and have to make revision of all those words that we have learned in this week. Lastly, wanna see your amazing suggestions and feedback in the comments below. So see you on Monday with some more exciting words. Stay with us and have a nice weekend.